Hey guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, welcome, and if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. Today I'll be doing a wig installation video. This was sent to me by BANGJAZZ. This is a 4x4 closure, and in the box, so when I open up the box, there is the wig. It is a 20-inch, I think it's a body wave, 20-inch body wave. In the box I got like their little business card and stuff, and I got two wig caps in the box. So we're gonna be installing this 4x4 closure, and yeah. So basically guys, I just came around my hair in two, or corner, anyone want to call it, and we're just gonna apply the wig. We're just gonna put on the wig cap now. All right. And then we're gonna just drag it up. Like how this is a closure guys, I'm not really doing too much like ball cap method and that shit. Yeah, I just want to get the ear under. No one heard or saw that. I'm gonna be using my foundation in the shade 360, and I'm going to be applying that to my wig cap. And guys, it's a closure, so yeah, you don't have to do all of that. It's a 4x4 closure, so we're not forgetting to do all of that shenanigans. Just put it right where the closure go there. And it's gonna be a center part, so we're basically focusing on the center. Baby, man, just really wanna get to know. Baby, man, I really want a body for love. You like me, me like you, you like me, so make all of us anger incognito. Okay guys, and this is the wig. As I said, how does it upside down? This is the wig. It's a 20-inch. It's not body wave, my correction. I think it's deep wave, my correction. So it's a 20-inch deep wave. It has this thing inside, and then it comes with a little net. You just take the net off. My glasses on. Yeah, this is how the wig is looking, guys. The curls are very tight. This is how inside of the wig looks. I really like this. This lace is very transparent and it looks like it's easy to bleach. Inside of the wig comes with 3 combs, so one here, and one at the bottom to secure your wig, and it comes with the little bra strap thingy. Yeah, the bra strap thingy to tighten the wig. I am going to be putting the foundation on the lace of the wig as well, just to get my match, just because. And there it is guys, it's tinted. Guys, you don't have to put a lot because you already tinted. You already put it on that thing, the pan your head, right? You don't have to put a lot on the wig. These 2 little ends right here guys, you're gonna cut it, right? I'm gonna cut it off. It's not supposed to be there. Cut it off. All right, so we'll cut it off, 2 ends. And guys, the lace does, it come pre-pluck, so I probably don't have to pluck it. All I know is guys, this closure, it's very transparent.
I just can't let you go. Lord knows that I've tried to. You said I was the only one. No one likes being lied to.
So this is how it's looking. I did attach the brassiere straps at the back. Now we're gonna just start by fixing up the hair. Guys, Matona, it's transparent. Stop looking at me now. Stop. Stop looking at me. The fuck? Jesus. Damn. Baby girl. Guys, we're gonna start to glue it down now. I'm gonna be using my bold hold. No, not bold hold, a ghost bond. It's the ghost bond glue. It's my friend's glue. But she ain't getting it back. But you're smiling now. I wonder if it's good, dear Jesus. So guys, we're gonna just put some dots on the forehead. Look at Rochelle, so amused. Guys, I don't want to see my cousin. My girl is there like, she's so amused right now.
You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I wanna burn all the bridges between us.
I'll let this dry, basically. You can like, it's a closure, so you can give it like 2 coats. Thank you, my assistant. Appreciate it. Guys, like how it's a closure, you can just give it like 2 coats of the glue. Normally frontals they do like 3, but like it's a closure, so 2 will work. Alright, it's drying. When it dries down, it should actually look fadish like this. So over here needs some more time to dry, and we're just gonna do that. Guys, we're gonna go ahead and lay it down now. So guys, it was at this point I knew I messed up. First of all, the glue never dried properly and the glue no good, but una go see we're gonna move on, okay? So I start realize no people, I start realize what take place. But nah, like when you edit, shit be funny as hell. Shit. Watch out. Somebody come and look at this. Somebody come and take a look at this. So guys, after all that shenanigans, I still had hope, and I went in to tie it down to melt it because it had to be fixed. I was going out, so it had to be fixed. The problem just didn't have to get resolved. It did get resolved off camera though. I did not catch that part because I'm going to the bathroom and I did one bar. I'm gonna fix it at the bathroom. So guys, meanwhile that is melting, we are going to just style the hair itself. You can pass the spray back in the bathroom for me, please. So the hair gets a little thicker when you rake it out. Yeah, that's what I'm more. The hair gets thicker once you run your hand through it and rake it out. The hair is very nice quality. I didn't know if I mentioned that it's very soft. It's very soft and the curls are very nice and tight and right. Yeah guys, so we're just gonna go ahead and spray this up. Get the ends, guys. You want to get the ends every time you're spraying up your hair, okay? Get the ends.
I've been stuck on your memory, but it's not like I need it. And you may have some history, but we don't have to repeat it.
The hair is wet, and as I said, it will get bigger as it dries down, but I kind of like wet look, so I don't mind this look right now. I don't mind it, okay? I don't mind it. Just gonna add some moisture to the hair. This is my argan oil. So we're just gonna cut off the excess lace in zigzag motion just to mimic our natural hairline. Remember I told you guys I didn't catch the part where I actually went in the bathroom to cry and fix the mess. I had to wipe off the whole glue and glue it down back, but I didn't catch that part on camera, but you guys will definitely see when I am laying my baby hair. So guys, now I feel good and I fixed the mess. I'm just moving on to my baby hair. I'm just making some baby hair and we're gonna just lay it with our edge control, you know, simple thing what we normally do on a basic. Yeah.
But we don't have to repeat it. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I'm gonna burn all the bridges.
So guys, this is the finished look. I didn't really pluck the hair because never really so serious to pluck it. It was pretty good on its own. It's very soft, as I told you guys. When you wet it and you let it dry, it gets a little fluffier and it just looks nice. All the information will be in my description box about this hair if you would like to go ahead and purchase it. And I want to thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed, don't forget to give it a like, comment, share, and if you're new, most definitely subscribe. Bye guys.